I'm Steff. Welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're continuing with indie makeup brand spotlight. If you guys saw my video from earlier this week or from yesterday, I'm not too sure when this video is going up, you will know that I am going to dedicate my channel and most of the videos this week and into next week, who knows, maybe the week after that, to focusing on indie makeup brands. And the first video I did in this spotlight was using the new Glamlite foodie box. And I also, today, we're going to be playing with another palette that I had ordered with them, and they both arrived at the same time, the foodie box and this palette. And that is the Glamlite donut palette. This little palette retails for $22 on the Glamlite website. Guys, it looks like a donut and it's squishy. Like, the packaging on this is really, really good. Like, Glamlite always has amazing packaging, from their pizza palette to the taco palette. I mean, this is super cute. I love when brands really pay attention to all the small details. And guys, packaging is not a small detail. Packaging is a huge detail. And when a small brand like Glamlite pays this much attention to the outer packaging, you know what you're gonna get inside is gonna be really special. So this is what the Glamlite donut palette looks like. This is for the colorful girls. If you love to wear colorful makeup, then you're definitely gonna want this palette. If you love the pinks and purples and blues, this is gonna be the palette for you. And I do like that it does come with a mirror and that you can fold this all the way back. We're going to be playing around, and as you can see, I have two looks that I'm going to be showing you how I created using only this palette. I do want to mention a couple other things that I'm using that did come from the foodie box. I am using the Concha highlighter. So this is a Glamlite Concha highlighter. And that's the shade right there. I have that already on my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, my nose. Really, really do love this highlighter. And I'm also using the lip gloss that I got in that box. And this was the Agua Fresca Strawberry Lip Gloss. And I do have that on right now. For lashes, I am using the Glamlite Margarita lashes, and this is in the style Strawberry. And of course, you can already see them here on my eyes. So guys, let me go ahead and insert some swatch photos that I did of this new Glamlite donut palette in natural light so that you can see what they are going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. And then we'll get into the tutorial portion, creating these two looks, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. If you want to see the new Glamlite donut palette in action, keep on watching. So guys, these were the two looks I created using the new Glamlite donut palette. Now let's get into final thoughts. First and foremost, guys, the packaging is just super cute. I mean, it's a squishy little donut. It's not too big. I mean, this is it in terms of my hand size. So it definitely fits in the palm of my hand. It's just really cute. It's a really fun dessert moment, and I love the combination of food and makeup. Like for me, that's never gonna get old. When you open it up, you do have that mirror, and I really do like that. I like that the flap folds all the way back so that you can hold it really easily in your hand. And then of course you have these beautiful shades. So you do have a nice mixture of shimmers and mattes. You do have that one center shade right here, which of course you could use as a cheekbone highlighter, just like an all over face highlighter if you wanted to. But guys, I thought that the colors in here were absolutely perfect. Perfect for a donut, right? I mean, these are all the different toppings or different flavors of donuts that you can get. And for me, I'm just a plain, like I love the glazed. The glazed is my favorite type of donut, but I also do love sprinkles. So I'm really happy with the layout. I'm really happy with the shades that they chose to include. And I'm especially happy with the way the palette performed. All of the shadows, they just applied so well. They blended out really well. The only one I'll say was this one right here, chocolate, which is what I have on this side right here. It does come off a little bit reddish, maybe a little pinkish. And I thought it was going to be more of like a rusty brown color. So I don't know, that one kind of caught me off guard just a little bit, but it's still a gorgeous color nonetheless. I thought that the shimmers applied really well with just the finger to get that more accurate placement. I do spray my brush and then I'll go in and just kind of define the areas where I really want that shimmer to be placed. You don't need to do that. That's completely optional. You don't need to use your finger. You can go in with a brush, whatever it is that you prefer. It's gonna work with this palette. I think there was only like 2 shades that I didn't get to use, but you can see them. You saw them in the swatches. They all did perform really well when swatched, and I know I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this palette. It's just so cute. There was not a lot of kick up in the pan either. Just overall, guys, a really great palette for $22. It is available right now on the Glamlite website. So guys, that completes another day of indie makeup brand spotlight. I am so happy and I'm so excited that I get to play around with these indie makeup brands. I think if we can support small business, especially right now, guys, no matter where it is, here in the US or outside of the US, no matter where it is, I think that we should take that opportunity to do so. And I'm so happy to be supporting Glamlite Cosmetics. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.